controlled by the synoptic panel and the remote control. With Wi-Fi models, it is possible to control one or all of the units through the AirGuard app, available for both Android and Apple systems. Turn on the unit by pressing the ventilation button on the panel. The blue LED on indicates the air exchange speed. Press again to set the ventilation on one of the 4 speeds available to have a greater or lesser airflow. When the 4 LEDs are on, press the ventilation button again to turn off the unit. On remote control, press the arrow buttons to switch on and set the desired ventilation. To turn off, just press the blue off button. Use the dedicated function to obtain a faster air exchange, for example if the room is crowded, or to evacuate odors. By pressing the hyperventilation button, the unit increases the air exchange at maximum performance. Press the button again to return the HRV to the previous speed. This function is useful to ventilate a room for a short time at maximum performance. By pressing the night mode button, the unit sets a minimum ventilation speed and reduces the LED intensity. Keep pressed for 5 seconds to completely deactivate the LEDs. With the night mode, it is possible to have a continuous and silent air exchange, ensuring the quality of rest. With favorable external temperature conditions, the unit can help cool or heat the internal environment. Press the free cooling button to activate the function. The unit injects fresh air, always filtered, at the outside temperature. Press again to deactivate. Free cooling is useful on summer nights to bring cooler outdoor air into the house.